Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside YouTube. Sign in and go straight to your profile menu. Click Settings, then Purchases and Memberships so you can view active subscriptions. Once you locate the channel membership entry, open its details. This is the control panel for billing and perks. Make sure you're on the correct Google account. If not, switch accounts before proceeding. This avoids canceling the wrong membership and affecting someone else's perks or payments. Once you're in membership details, hit Manage Membership or the visible Cancel option. You'll be asked to confirm, choose Cancel Membership and select a reason if prompted. This helps creators but is optional. Make sure to read the confirmation pop-up. It explains whether you'll retain access until the billing cycle ends. If you see multiple payment methods, double-check which card or PayPal will stop charging. Confirm, and YouTube processes the cancellation immediately for future payments. After confirming cancellation, check your inbox for a confirmation email and note when perks end. If you don't receive mail, return to Purchases and Memberships to verify status. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh. If the cancel button fails, sign out, clear cache, or use an incognito window, then try again. Make sure payment stopped on your next billing date. If issues persist, contact YouTube help through the app. Keep screenshots and payment evidence ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.